Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of the place you are watching. For greeting with your time, welcome to God Glory Happy Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. Today guys, we want to make milk cake milk, any how you want to put it. That is the recipe of today. Ciao ragazzi, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, dipende dove voi state guardando questo video. Io saluto come vostro ora adesso, benvenuto a God Glory Happy Kitchen, benvenuto al nostro canale. Ricetta di oggi è torta al latte. Torta al latte, ingredienti per questo torta al latte è: abbiamo 3 uova, 300 g di farina 00, 250 ml di latte, 200 g di zucchero semolato in bustina di lievito per dolce, pizzico sale e 60 g di burro. Io ho messo mia dentro padella perché io devo riscaldare dentro con insieme il latte, per quello motivo io ho messo dentro padella. Ingredients we need for this milk cake: we need 60 g of butter. This margarine, you can use normal butter, as choice. Why? Maybe you guys might asking why I put my butter inside the pan, because I want to melt it with the milk. I'm taking it to the gas to melt it, you understand? So that's why you're putting in the pan. We have 60 g of butter, 3 eggs, 300 g of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, and 1 packet like this. This 14 g for baking powder. We need 200 g of white sugar. Okay, let's go guys. Before we start, I have to add my milk inside the pan, inside the butter. Mettiamo il nostro latte dentro. I take it to the pan, to the stove to melt it, to hot the milk. You can easily do it for microwave if you don't want to melt it in the gas. Tu puoi sciogliere il tuo latte, tuo burro dentro il microonde se tu non vuoi portare scaldare su. For guys, as you can see, I already made my butter with hot milk. Come vedi, io ho scelto mia burro dentro latte calda. Se non vuoi fare come io ho spiegato prima, puoi semplicemente scaldare microonde. Where I said before, if you don't want to do it in stove, you can easily make it with microwave. Now we have to take one plain bowl. Take this aside. I put our egg to eat. Okay guys, we have to add our sugar to inside the bowl, inside the egg, and whip. You can easily mix it with hand mixer or your robot to mix. Okay, we have to mix our egg. Okay guys, now to add my baking powder inside the flour. Mettiamo il nostro lievito e dolce dentro farina. We add to the egg and the sugar, just a little by little, and our milk with butter. So we have to use all, just step by step. We'll be mixing everything together. So we have to mix everything together. So you can see guys, we have to add our pinch of salt, pizzico sale. So I already mixed all my ingredients, whip all my ingredients. Now we have to take it to the pan, baking pan. Okay. This pan I'm using, guys, I already put some butter on the down and some flour, so that it will be easy for me to take out when the cake gets ready. Questo teglia oleata farinata, così facile per me da tirare fuori quando è pronto il torta. Now we have to take it to the oven to bake it for 180 degrees for normal baking static oven for 30 minutes. Portiamo da cuocere a 180 gradi forno statico per mezz'ora. Then we'll be right back guys when our cake is set. Guys, after 30 minutes our cake is set. Dopo 30 minuti il nostro torta è pronta. Guys, we have to leave it to cool. Take it out of the pan, guys. We have to leave it to cool. Guys, our cake is set. This is a choice. If you like, you can easily put sugar powder sugar on it up like this. Il nostro torta è cotta. Questo qua scelta, può mettere zucchero davvero sopra se vuole, se non volete fa senza. It's a choice to add sugar powder on it. Okay, let me cut it, guys. So good for breakfast, any time of the day, for lunch, brunch. You see what it look like? It's still hot, very hot, so fluffy, visto com'è molto morbido. Se piace quello Torta di latte, cosa stai aspettando? Dai pollice su, non dimentica per iscriverti al nostro canale se tu non ancora fatto. Se hai iscritto qua prima, grazie a Dio di benedica. Ci vediamo nel nostro prossimo video, ci vediamo nella nostra ricetta. Condivide quello video con i vostri amici. Grazie a tutti. Non dimenticate per tirare pollice in su. Iscrivete. Grazie a tutti, Dio di benedica che sempre guarda i miei video. Guys, if you love this meat cake, what are you waiting for? Just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. If you already subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. We see you on my next video. We see you on my next recipe. Thank you for your watching, guys. God bless. Share this video with your contact, with your family, friends, with your contact on WhatsApp, Facebook, anywhere at all. Share it, okay? And give it a try and leave your comment on the description box below. Thank you for your watching, guys. I thank you all that always watch my video, anytime public video. God bless you. One love to you all, guys. Thank you, guys. God bless. Bye bye. See what it look like. Lovely. Wow. And take it for picnic any time of the day. Wow, so yummy. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching.